Not the bang, the bang. Oh, oh, whoa.
Can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible, 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 impossible.
What's up, loves? It's your girl Ashley and I am back with another video. So today I am so excited about this video because I'm finally getting to try out Mielle. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong, but I finally get to try them out. I'm trying out the leave-in conditioner and the coil sculpting custard, and y'all, I'm so freaking excited. So let me just tell you how I got to this point. So you know, they have their little $4.99 sale, and so I bought it, but then when I got the box, it came with this booklet, and then I was like, oh, this booklet's cute. Y'all, tell me why I read it or tried to read it. It's actually pictures. It has words, of course, and there's actually different hairstyles in here, and I was like, oh, the creative juices were just flowing through me. And so then I decided, oh, well, why don't I try one of the hairstyles? So today, I'm glad to tell y'all I will be doing the Braided Afro Puffs, or my take on it. But yeah, you guys, I will be doing the Braided Afro Puffs today, or at least my take on it, and I'm so excited. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's very fun. Make sure you go check out my reel on Instagram, because that is the only promo I did on my Instagram this time for this video, and I'm just literally so excited. Like, oh man, I know y'all see it. I don't know why why was I talking this whole time like I don't have this hairstyle on my head right now. I'm excited to walk out the house with this on my head, honestly, because like it's just so cute. It's so fire. It just brings out the inner child in me, and I'm so happy to do my little rendition of this. So you know, I did a little bang, you know, I got puffs, all that stuff. But anyways, before we can get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know every time I post a new video. And after you've done those few quick favors for me, and if you want to see how I got this cute little hairstyle, keep watching. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to take down these two little puffs I made for myself. And yes, I do have makeup done because I actually am doing a reel while recording this. So I just took down my two puffs, and now I am going, well, my hair is already kind of split down the middle, but I'm just gonna untwist all these twists and then split it down the middle just to make life easier for myself. Alright, y'all, all my hair is untwisted now, so I'm just gonna part it down the middle. And if you see me looking over here, it's because I have a mirror, so just ignore that, okay? Alright, y'all, so now I'm just going to part the front of my hair so I can make the little braids. Part that I am satisfied with. I'm going to start braiding the front parts and then moisturizing the puffs, and then pretty much be done. But let's just continue this. Alright, y'all, so to moisturize, I'm going to use the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Looks like this. And I'm so excited to use this. I've heard nothing but good things about Mielle, and I'm really excited to finally get to do it. How do you open this top? So next I'm gonna put on the Coil Sculpting Custard, also by the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey line, just to, you know, help these braids get it together, stay together, you know, all that good stuff. It looks like this. y'all. This smells so good. So I finished the braids in the front, and I just don't think this is enough to make a bayang. Like, that is a sparse bayang. What do I look like going outside like this? No. So I'm gonna start a second row of braids now. Alright y'all, so now like I said, I'm going to use both of these to moisturize my hair and get it real nice and curly. Maybe brush it a few times with this brush, and then you guys will see what I'm doing. But and then after that, I'm going to put it in it's 2 puffs, and then lay these across, and we should be pretty much done. Alright y'all, so now I have the other puff up and ready, and now I'm about to pin the braids into a bayang. and then we'll pretty much be done. And I'll just put some clips in and show you how I do that, because I'm always like wearing clips in my hair. I love them so much, they're so cute. Y'all, so that is all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all, this hairstyle is freaking fire, and I'm shook at my own darn self. This is what I tried, and best idea ever. Is so cute. There's so many different hairstyles in here. I kind of want to try them all. Comment down below if y'all want me to make this series, like just making all these, even after Vlogmas. Like, I'll make all the hairstyles out of here, or at least try. They look all really cute. My hair is very thick though. I don't know if I can get into a bun. It's long, but it's thick, so it's like impossible to get to clump together. But all right, y'all, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out my social media, and hit that bell notifications. That way you know every time I post a new video. And until next time, you guys, see ya, bye. 3 a.m. and I'm all alone.